Question 5 of this exercise says the area of a square park is same as the area of a rectangular park. If the side of a square park is 60 meter and the length of the square park is 90 meter, we have to find the breadth of the rectangular park. Now it is given in the question that area of a square park will equal to area of rectangular park. So let's say AS is the area of a square park and AR is the area of rectangular park. So we know that the side of the square park is given, that is 60 meter. So A equals to 60 meter. Now to find the area of a square park, it's basically A square or side square. That will be 60 square. That is same as 3600 square meter. That will be the area of a square park. Now we know that the area of a square park is same as area of rectangular park. So we know that area of rectangle is basically nothing but length into breadth. And we know the area, that is 3600 square meter. Length is given, that is 90 meter. We have to find breadth. So we can find breadth from there easily. So breadth will equal to 3600 divided by 90, which is same as 40 meter. So that will be the breadth of the rectangular park.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.